Good day! Let us now continue our lesson about sets. Sets. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to describe empty sets and cardinality of sets. Illustrate kinds of set. Again, Ma'am Mildred is here to discuss with you. Okay class, let us now discuss the types of set. Types of set. A set may have no element, one element, a definite number of elements, or an unlimited number of elements. Class, the cardinality of a set is the number of elements in a given set, meaning we have to count. It is written as the cardinality of set A, where n refers to the cardinality, and A is our set, and we are looking for the total number of elements in a given set. Do you get that? Good. Empty set or null set. A set that contains no element. It is represented by the symbol braces where there is no element, or the Danish letter O. Let us have an example. Let A be the set of all months with 27 days. Class, do we have a month containing 27 days? Good, of course, we do not have. So therefore, we are going to represent it using a pair of braces with no element, or by writing set A is equal to the Danish letter O, meaning that is an empty or null set. Then, writing the cardinality, we are going to express it as small letter n, enclose in parentheses the name of the set, which is set A. It is equal to 0, since there is no element. Do you understand? Good. How about finite set? It contains exact number or countable number of elements. Example, set A, fingers on your hand. The elements of set A are the thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky finger. So set A is a finite set since its elements are countable. The cardinality of set A in symbol is cardinality of set A equals 5. Why? Because the elements are 5. Did you get that? Good. How about infinite set? It contains elements that has no end. The ellipses or the 3 dots means infinite or it goes on forever. Mango, coconut, apple, and so on. So the cardinality of set T is infinity. That is for infinite set. Set T is infinite because there is an ellipsis after the third element. It means that aside from mango, coconut, apple, there are more elements that belong to the set. Subset. It is a set of elements that are also in another set. If there is at least one element found in B, but not in A, then A is a proper subset of B, denoted by the symbol A is a proper subset of B. While set A is a subset of B, if every element of the set A belongs to set B. Did you see the difference? Good. In symbol set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3. set B, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, we have letter X. If X is element of A, then X is element of B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Equal sets. It contains two or more sets that has exactly the same elements. Example, if A equals 2, 4, 6, and B, the elements are 4, 6, 2, then A equals B, meaning set A is equal to B because they have the same elements. Equivalent sets. If two sets that has the same number of elements. Example, given set A 1, 2, 3, while for set B the elements are A, B, C. Then the cardinality of set A is 3, the cardinality of set B is equal to 3. Therefore, they are equivalent, meaning you just have to count the number of elements. Therefore, A is congruent to B. Plus, that is the symbol for congruent. Universal set. It is the totality of elements under consideration and is usually represented by U symbol. Example, let the universal set be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or the first 9 counting numbers. Set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, the even numbers. Set B, 1, 3, 5, 9. In the given sets above, set U is the universal set. Sets A and set B are subsets of the universal set. So when we say subset, you can find set A inside the universal set, and you can find set B inside the universal set. Subsets of a set. A subset is a set of elements that are also in another set and is denoted by this symbol similar to letter C for proper subset. And C with underline below if the subset is the set itself. If every member of a set is also a member of set B, then set A is said to be a subset of B, written as A is the subset of B, meaning A is contained in B. Did you get that? Consider the following examples. Set A, grade 7 Sampaguita students. Set B, female students from grade 7 Sampaguita. While set B, set C, tall students. In these sets, we may conclude that set B is a subset of A since all elements of set B also belongs to set A. Is that clear, class? Okay. Now, so we could have that in symbol. B is a subset of A, meaning female students can be found on set A. which are composed of grade 7 Sampaguita students. On the other hand, set C cannot be considered as a subset of set A nor set B, since the set of tall students is not well defined. Can you still recall that? Set of tall students is not well defined. Therefore, C is not a subset of A. Any set has at least two subsets, the empty set and the set itself. In finding the number of subsets, we may use the formula S, which stands for the subset, is equal to 2 raised to n, wherein 2 is the base, n is the exponent. Now, the exponent n represents the number of elements in a set. Let us apply the formula later. Example, find the subset of set C, Earth, Venus, Mars. Class, what can you say about the set given? Good. They are the planets in the solar system. 3 planets. Now, let us find the subsets. In writing the subset, we should start with the empty set, meaning there is no element, so empty set. Number 2, get one element, so that is Earth. Number 3, get another element aside from Earth, so that is Venus. Number 4, get the last element, which is Mars. Now, combine. Since we have already empty, then one element, you have to write 2 elements. So you have to combine Earth, Venus. Next is Earth, Mars. And the next is Venus, Mars. Now, what should be the 8th subset? Yes, 3 elements, Earth, Venus, Mars. Did you get that? So therefore, there are 8 subsets. The empty set, Earth, Venus, Mars. 5th subset, Earth and Venus. 6th subset, Earth and Mars. 7th subset, Venus and Mars. And 8th subset, Earth, Venus and Mars. Okay, now let us use the formula. Example, find the subset of Earth, Venus, and Mars. So the formula is S is equal to 2 raised to n. So S is equal to 2 cubed since there are 3 elements. So n stands for the number of elements. So how many are they? Earth, Venus, Mars. So 3. Therefore, our base is 2, so we are going to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2. So what is 2 times 2? 4 times 2, 8. So do we have the correct answer? Therefore, 8 is the number of subsets. So a while ago, we have listed the subsets. And there are 8. So therefore, you can easily determine the number of subsets using the formula. S is equal to 2 raised to n.